How to find Walmart item number. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find Walmart item number. For this, open up any web browser and head over to walmart.com. You want to make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed in, you want to click on this search bar. Then type in the item that you want to find the Walmart item number for. For example, rice cooker. Here you want to select whichever item it is. Then you can find all the details about this item here, such as the name, description, and price. If you scroll down, you have the option of About this item, where you get even more details and specifications about this item. Scroll down, and under Specifications, you have the option of Manufacturer Part Number. This right here is your Walmart item number. You can also find all the other details here, such as feature, brand, and warranty. If you want to buy this product, you simply want to click on the Buy Now or Add to Cart option and follow the on-screen prompts in order to purchase this item. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.